Hey, it's Tony again with another Type 5 how-to. Do you have a hose with a bad end on it? Let's go inside and I'll show you how to fix it. Now that we're back inside, fixing one of these hose ends is actually really easy. First, I'm going to start by just cutting back past where the kink is on this hose so there's no more damage here. Then I have to identify what type of end it was so we can get the right part. Now, you'll need either a female end or a male end. They make these in plastic or metal. I actually prefer the metal type because I feel like they're more sturdy and they're not going to break as easily. Although the plastic type are actually really easy to install as well. You just slide the sleeve over and then press it on and screw it tight. And that makes a nice solid easy connection. But for just a little bit more effort, we'll go ahead and slide on this hose clamp and press on that metal fitting. And then once it's in place, we'll tighten it down and then we're ready to reattach it back at the spigot. Well, now that the end's fixed, I've gone ahead and added one of these reinforced hose savers to keep that problem from happening ever again. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips in the future.